Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for stopping by if you're new, and I hope you find this video interesting enough for you to subscribe and hit that notification button, and thank you so much for your support. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my clarifying hair growth shampoo. This shampoo is going to moisturize your hair, stimulate hair growth, clarify your scalp, and kill any bacteria or fungus you may have in your scalp. Alright, let's go over the measurements of what I'm using today. I'm going to be using 100 grams of black soap, African black soap. I got this black soap from the motherland, from Africa, and you can get a black soap from eBay, from Amazon, or any online shop, but make sure you get the right black soap. The real black soap is actually brown in color, it's not black. So the dark black soap you find out there, those are fake. That's not the real deal. Your black soap should be brown in color. I'm going to be using half a cup of apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of Jamaica black castor oil and 1 teaspoon of peppermint oil. So let's go over the benefits of African black soap. African black soap is awesome in treating scalp conditions. With its powerful medicinal properties, it is created from organic materials such as palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm bush ash, shea butter, honey, lime juice, camwood, aloe vera, and lemon juice. And it's also a natural source of iron and vitamin A and E. ACV in this case is a clarifying agent, while the Jamaica black castor oil and the peppermint oil are for stimulating hair growth. If you suffer from hair growth issues, scalp issues, or hair breakage, this is the perfect shampoo for you. So after adding all those ingredients together, you wanted to just let it sit in the water and for it to melt naturally. Just let it do its thing, and you just want to go ahead and cover it with a cloth. But remember to go back every now and then and just stir it up and mix it together until it naturally melts by itself. Afterwards, I just go ahead and transfer mine into an applicator bottle. Well, in this case, I actually had the bottle from the Jamaica black castor oil shampoo from Shea Moisture, which I love so much. That shampoo does wonders for my hair, but it's so expensive, so I literally created my own version of that shampoo. So this is my version of the Jamaican black castor oil from Shea Moisture. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Besos. Mwah.